Hello everyone, welcome to Master Azerbaijani Word of the Day. We're starting new week and we'll be talking about yummy stuff. So today's word is yemek. Yemek. Yemek is to eat, food, or meal. Let's see some phrases. To eat less, to buy food, to cook a meal. Let's see. Az yemek, less, az. Yemek almak, to buy food. And we mean here cooked food. See how it can be also a noun and a verb? To eat, yemek. Yemek almak, to buy food. Yemek pişirmek, to cook a meal. Interesting, huh? Let's take a look at some sentences. Ben akşam az yemek istəyirəm. Let's see. I want to eat less in the evening. Or, if you want to sound like local, akşam az yemek istəyirəm. Let's see what's the difference here. I skipped man because remember, we add suffixes to the action word to signify who is doing the action. İstəyirəm, istemek, to want. İstəyir, wants. İstəyirəm, I want. Now, to pronounce it more smoother, look what happens. We write istəyirəm, we say istəyirəm. All right? Akşam, evening. Mən akşam az yemək istəyirəm. I want to eat less in the evening. Let's see another sentence. Yemek pişirmek bir sənətdir. 100%. Why? Let's see the translation. Cooking is an art. Sənət, art. Sənətdir is an art. Pişirmek, to cook. Yemek pişirmek, cooking, to cook a meal, basically. All right? That was today's word, yemek. Or, you want to sound like local? Say it, yeməy. Remember? K at the end, it turns into y sound. Let's use it some fun ways. I need to pause my video call for yeməy because multitasking with noodles is a risky sport. Thanks for watching. Come back tomorrow for a new word. We're going to be talking about yummy stuff. Until then, check masterrosebridge.com for more.